In this video, I will teach you how to create a survey in Jotform. So let's just begin. So first of all, what we need to do over here is head over to our templates and go to your form template. You can see, so basically a survey is a type of form, so it is going to be inside form. Search in here for survey just like this and press enter onto keyboard. Now before we move forward, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off, which is going to be unlocking even more brilliant features that you can use to make amazing forms. So now you can see we do have student survey. You can use this is say a student survey for our students, and once you do, you can see we can add in here our student name. We can add in here different sections. You can use elements. Let's just say you want to add in here a question, let's just say, or a multiple choice. You can add a section, enter in here a question. Let's just say choose a capital of Switzerland, or maybe anything that you would like to add in here. Then you can also add a table if you want to add that, like it is already added. This is super convenient. You can move around things and rearrange everything, and that is going to be refreshing it. So if you go back to the top, you can finally add collaborators and publish this as well, and you can see this is the link to share it, and that's how easy it is to create a survey. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.